Have you been hearing a constant ringing in your ears that just won't go away? Even in complete silence, it feels like your head is buzzing with noise. This ongoing discomfort can ruin your sleep, your focus, and your peace of mind. But what if I told you this isn't normal and could get worse over time? Hi, I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to tell you all about Quietum Plus, a natural supplement designed to support hearing health and reduce tinnitus in a smart, effective way. But first, a very important warning. Quietum Plus is only sold on the official website. Don't trust random links or suspicious offers. For your safety, the official purchase link is right below in this video's description. Now let's get straight to the point. What is Quietum Plus? It's a 100% natural supplement created by experts in neuroscience and auditory health. Its formula blends ingredients like dongquai, ginkgo biloba, and powerful antioxidants that directly support your nerves and auditory system. Instead of just masking symptoms, Quietum Plus works at the root of the problem, helping protect the inner ear and regulate sound signals sent to your brain. Here are the most reported benefits: gradual reduction in ringing and buzzing sounds, sharper focus, and more peace of mind, deeper, uninterrupted sleep, support for memory and mental clarity, a natural, side effect free boost to quality of life. And the best part, it's simple to use. Just take 2 capsules a day with water, preferably after meals. For best results, use it consistently for at least 3 months. Thousands of people have already tried and approved Quietum Plus. James, 58, said he could sleep peacefully again after just 4 weeks. Susan, 62, shared that she's finally able to meditate in silence, something she hadn't done in years. And if you're still unsure, here's the reason to give it a shot. Quietum Plus comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, just ask for a refund. No questions asked. Zero risk. But don't wait too long. Stock is running low. The promotional kits with 3 or 6 bottles come with free shipping and exclusive discounts, but they may sell out at any time. So don't wait for your symptoms to get worse. Click the link in the description now and order your Quietum Plus directly from the official website. Encapsulate USA. Health on another level. Real results.